Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door lock handle. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. A tape measure is also crucial to check your door's backset, which is the distance from the door's edge to the center of the handle hole, usually 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. Sometimes, a hammer, wood chisel, or drill might be needed for minor adjustments, but often, just screwdriver. Now, let's remove the old door handle. Begin by finding the screws, usually on the interior side of the handle, and unscrew them with your Phillips head screwdriver. If your handle has no visible screws, look for a small slot or hole. Insert a thin tool like a paper clip to depress the release button while gently pulling the handle off. Once the handles are removed, unscrew the 2 screws on the latch plate located on the door's edge, then slide the latch mechanism out. On the other hand, mini futures offer a larger contract size, appealing to more experienced traders with greater capital. An E-mini S&P 500 futures contract, for example, is valued at $50 per point, 10 times larger than its micro counterpart. This means initial margin requirements are substantially higher, typically over $5,000. While offering greater profit potential, each tick movement is $12.50, which also means increased risk exposure. For our final steps, let's install the strike plate. Position the new strike plate over the latching hole on the door frame, aligning it with any existing screw holes. Secure it with the 2 screws provided. Now, it's time to test your new door handle. Open and close the door several times, ensuring the latch smoothly engages with the strike plate. Also, check that the lock mechanism functions correctly, providing a secure and satisfying click. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your door lock handle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.